Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to leave on WhatsApp group. Maybe you have been part of a group that is no longer relevant to you or simply want to reduce the number of group messages received. So today I'm going to show you how to leave on a WhatsApp group. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the WhatsApp group where you want to live. For example, I want to live in this group. Simply long press on that group conversation. After that, a set of options will appear at the top. From here, tap on this three dots icon at top right corner. Now, to live on this group, simply tap on this exit group option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure that you want to leave this group. Simply tap on this exit option to confirm your decision. After that, you now have successfully left the WhatsApp group. You will no longer receive messages from this group and it won't appear in your chat list. There you go. If you wanted to know how to leave on a WhatsApp group, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to live on a WhatsApp group, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.